Maya Lima, Argentinian influencer in Instagram, with more than 20,000 followers, started making more than $1,000 on different platforms. Now she has TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and an agency supporting her for business offers. But what if I tell you that she's an AI-generated model from the Clueless AI group? They also have another AI-generated model who has become so popular in this year. Aitana Lopez, a Spanish influencer from Barcelona, who makes more than $10,000 per month. This company has created a real personality for its models. For example, Maya was born in 1999 in Buenos Aires, and Aitana was born in 1998 in Barcelona. They have even done photography project with the help of AI photographer and models, and have created a revolution in the area of modeling and photography with the help of artificial intelligence. The interesting point of this company is that their location is not known at all, and they can control these models from anywhere in the world. Their income generation can be through affiliate links and sponsorship of cosmetics, clothes, and fashion products. The good news is that you are familiar with this fascinating world of income generation. I want to tell you a step-by-step tutorial on building a model with the help of AI, with unlimited photos on different locations with only one stable face. In the first step, we need to use Focus Collab. Focus Collab, a Google Colab notebook, enables free AI image generation with various configurations. The tool provides option for adjusting speed, quality, aspect ratios, and generation multiple images in a single run. Just hurry up before this website is out of free plan like Midjourney. First, come to the right corner of the website and click on Connect button to connect it. After it's connected, click on Run button in the left corner side. It will take some time to download all of the data. After it's completed, use Running on Public URL link. Click on the link and it will redirect you to the image generator website. Now click on Advanced checkbox and you find some advanced setting in the right side of the website. In the Setting tab, you can change aspect ratio, the number of image, and the output format. Also, you can write a negative prompt and write what you don't want to be generated. After that, in the Style tab, you can see different styles for the image offered by Focus Collab. I will add Focus Photography style for more realistic image. We'll leave the rest of the section unchanged. For the prompt section, I will use ChatGPT to generate it. We have to give the identity of model to ChatGPT. Try to explain with the best details for ChatGPT. The eyebrows should be wide and the hair should be curly. For example, I want a Brazilian girl model with tanned skin, honey eyes, black hair, and elongated face, realistic portrait. So I asked the ChatGPT bot to generate a prompt for me with these details. Now I will put the prompt in the prompt box section. It takes some time to generate different models with similar face. You have to choose between models. Now, it's time to use Input Image option. In the Image Prompt tab, you can add the chosen face your model. Just drag and drop it. Also, here is another advanced box to edit the chosen face more for better result. Choose Face Swap to only show this model face. Now, click on Generate and you can see it will bring images with the same face. let's show you another great features from Focus Collab Generator. Next to the image you choose in the image prompt section, you can upload another photo to give the details of your image of this AI. Select Pyrocani option and then select Generate. It will generate an image with the second image pose, but with the first image face. Now with this setting, you can generate unlimited images with a single face and create your model based on the prompt you write. This AI tool is amazing for starting your AI business for free. Just start your side hustle quickly because it will not be free for a long time. Your target platform can be Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, OnlyFans, and YouTube. You just need a creative mind to generate a storytelling lifestyle. For an AI model, I suggest you to start an Instagram page first. This type of pictures will be easily viral in this platform. The range of income for this side hustle is between $1,000 to more than $10,000 per month, based on the amount of your followers. So I try to introduce another no budget, no skill needed side hustle for you. If you like this video and find it useful, be sure to hit the like button. You can also ask any question from comment section below. In the previous video, I explained another free strategy to make money online with Pinterest affiliate links. If you want to make money using Pinterest, click here to see the step-by-step plan from here. I hope you enjoyed from watching this video. I will be back soon.